guys, it's Shae. Apologies if you can hear my parents in the background. So this week's video is going to be a week of crochet. I started this like 2 weeks ago, but I'm finally gonna post it now because me and my sister have been alternating weeks of posting on this channel since we started it. So it's my week and this is what I decided to do for this week's video. So I hope you enjoy. I had a lot of fun making this and it also helped me hold myself accountable and get lots of stuff done. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy watching me do a week of crochet. I literally was just about to press record on this, then someone started their lawnmower or something, so sorry if you can hear that in the background. So I'm really professional, and on the first day of doing this I forgot to film. So it's currently Friday, but I'm going to show you the stuff that I made on Thursday because it's really early in the morning, so I haven't started crocheting yet. So I didn't do a lot yesterday, but I just wanted to get a little bit done since I haven't crocheted in a couple days. So I made these 2 leggy frogs. I made the blue one and the green one. I just started making this pattern and I'm really loving it. It's like so cute. I think I have like 5 of these now for my markets and I love them because they don't take very long to make and they're really cute. I already have a few blue ones, but I wanted to try the green too, and I do like it, but I think I like my lighter green ones better because it's just kind of hard to see the black details on the face because it's a dark color. And then that's all I actually made, but I did start weaving in the ends of some of my scrunchies. This is taking me a lot longer than I thought it was going to, so I'm glad I started yesterday because I have like 30 of these to weave the ends in of. So I only did like 5 I think, but now these are ready to sell, so that's really helpful because for some reason I really procrastinate weaving on the ends of these. So now I have to go to school, but after I get home I'm going to start crocheting and then let you know what I made. Hey guys, I just started my crochet for Friday. This is what I am making right now, a pink triceratops. I just have the head, but yeah, I'll show you when it's done. Hi guys, so it's now Friday night and I'm going to show you everything that I made today. So first is this pink triceratops. I already have one of these in this color, but I made another one. I love it so much, and I also love this pattern because it's no sew other than like this part. I will link it down below because I really love it and it doesn't take me very long. Next, I made this rainbow triceratops. I made this for a Pride Festival that we have coming up and I really love it too. And I already have one in this color as well, but I just made a second one. So I made these 2 guys. And then the other thing I made is this leggy frog, and I made this one in pink. I'm trying to make a bunch of colors of these to have lots of options for people at the markets. And I just started making these and they don't take me very long, which is really good. So yeah, I'll let you know if I make anything else tonight, but I think I might just take a break for now. Bye. The camera's very wobbly. Hey guys, so it's Saturday now. I was gonna say Saturday morning, but I think it's the afternoon now. I want to show you what I made this morning and I'm hoping to get more done tonight, but we'll see. So I started by making this yellow chick / duck. The pattern is called a duck pattern, but I think it looks like a chick, especially when you make it with yellow. I have another fluffy yellow one like this, and then I also have 2 small velvet white ones with this pattern. So I really love it and I think that people at markets are gonna like these too, so I'm trying to make as many of them as possible. The one disadvantage to this pattern is that it takes me a while even though it's pretty small because first of all I haven't memorized it yet, so I have to watch the video, and second you have to make a lot of parts for it, so it does take a little bit longer, which is why I haven't made too many of these. Also I'm running out of the yarn for this. So yeah, this is the only thing I actually made this morning, but I did continue my journey of weaving the ends in of my scrunchies. I did 6, I think. I did 6 more, And I don't have too many left actually. I thought I had a lot more than I do. I'll probably get these done within the next couple of days, so that's good. That's all I've made so far today, and I am planning on making a lot more stuff, so I'll let you know when I'm done that. Hey guys, it's now Saturday night, and I'm going to show you what I made tonight. So I made these 2 purple piggy frogs, and yeah, that's all I made, but I haven't been doing this for very long, so that's not too bad. I now have 8 of these for my market, and 2 purple now too. I really love this color. I found it in my basement, so I brought it up here and I just started using it. I'm really hoping that these sell good at markets because I think they're really cute, and I think that they might draw some attention because of the arms and legs. So I think I'm gonna be done for tonight, but I'll let you know if I make anything else. There's a spider on my ceiling and I'm scared for my life. But I'm gonna show you guys what I made today. It's Sunday afternoon-ish, and yeah, I've made a few things today, so I'm gonna show you. Started out by making purple triceratops. I love this. This is the only solid color triceratops I've made so far. All my other ones have been with multicolored yarn, but I had a lot of this purple, so I decided to make it with this, and I really love how it turned out. I really don't like this yarn though. This yarn sucks to use. It rips so easily. When I was making my magic rings, I literally had to remake it like twice every time I used this yarn because it rips so easily, but I love this. Okay, so next I made a new product that I've never made before. That is mini octopus. I also use this purple yarn, and this is my sister's pattern, I think. She sent it to me, and I really love it, and these are really quick to make, which is a huge bonus. And then I also made 2 pastel rainbow octopus for the Pride Festival that we have coming up, and yeah, I really love these ones too. And then finally, I just finished making another dark green frog. This is the only one that I don't have duplicates of, other than the light green one, but Fiona made light green ones too. So I thought I better make one of these so that there wasn't just one of them. And yeah, I really like it. Guys, I've run into a bit of an issue. I am running very low on these 12mm eyes that I use for basically everything. I just bought a huge pack of a bunch of different sized eyes, but I did not buy a pack of these ones, and running very low. So I don't know how many more things I'm going to be able to make with this. So I might have to start getting creative and making some things that I can use different size eyes with. The other issue is that I don't have a lot of yarn because I literally haven't bought any yarn since I started my stock for this market. It has just all been stuff I've already had. So that's another challenge because I can't really make a lot of really big things. And I have a lot of really big eyes. But I think I'm gonna spend some time making some more smaller stuff. I'll probably use the rest of the eyes to make some more of these octopuses, and then I might make some of those little ducks / chicks in the white velvet because I have lots of those, and they used a smaller size eye. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling now, but that's all I made on Sunday, and I'll let you know if I make anything else tonight. Hey guys, it's Sunday night, and I just wanted to show you one more thing that I just finished for today. This yellow dinosaur, I think it's a stegosaurus. Yeah, I have a blue one of these, and I just finished making a yellow one because this is the other color that I had enough of. And I also think I have enough red. So I might make a red one too if I have time, but yeah. I just wanted to show you my yellow dinosaur. Hey guys, it's now Monday afternoon. It was a long weekend this weekend, so I have spent pretty much the whole day crocheting. Really out of breath for some reason. So I've only made one thing, but I really wanted to make something that didn't have the small eyes because, sorry, I thought my mom was coming in. I really wanted to make something that didn't have the small eyes because we're running very low on those eyes and I want to give the rest to Fiona. So I was thinking of patterns that I have that don't use those, and those are my whales and my mini chicks / ducks. So I made a purple whale. I really love this guy. I think the fins are a little bit far back compared to my other one, but one thing that I was able to do on this one was stitch the fins into the work instead of sewing them on once I was done making it. So I really don't like sewing things in that much, so doing this was like really helpful to me. I still sewed the tail on, but that's because it's kind of in between the white and the purple, so it would have been kind of hard to, you know, just stitch it in. So yeah, I made this, and then I also have a blue one of these, so I'm glad that I have two now. Hey guys, it's me, Shae, again. Sorry if the camera's shaky because I'm holding it, and usually I don't do that, but Fiona's using a ring light right now. So it's actually Wednesday morning now, and I didn't make anything yesterday. So basically, on Monday, I set up our booth display, and then my brain was like, you have enough stuff, you don't have to crochet anymore. But that's not true, obviously. So yesterday, all I managed to do was weave in the ends of a few scrunchies, and I'll show those to you now. Here are the finished scrunchies. There's 6 of them. So basically on my display I have 2 scrunchie stands, and I'm kind of off by 1 color on them. Like I need 1 more color in order to like make it look good, because I only have 2 of this light blue color, and for some reason I didn't make more, but I think it's because I don't have the yarn anymore. So I think I'm gonna see if I have any other shades of light blue and maybe make a few with that too. Anyways, I have to go to school today, but when I get home, I'm hoping that I can get a few things done. Hey guys, it's now, what day is it? Wednesday night, and I'm going to show you what I made today. So I started off by making 3 of these light blue scrunchies. I love this color of yarn. I think this is like my favorite color of velvet yarn that I own. I only had a tiny bit left, but I managed to make 3 scrunchies out of it, and I still have a little bit left. And I actually weaved in the ends this time, so that will be good to have those. And then, really good news, look what already came in the mail. My 120 eyes. So the eyes that I use the most often are the 12mm safety eyes from Amazon, and I just had ordered more on Sunday, I think, like Sunday night, and they already came today. So I was really shocked and happy about that. So I started using them. So first I made this purple multicolor white octopus, and then I also made this hot pink octopus, and I love both of them so much, and I'm so glad that my eyes came because now I can keep making all the stuff that I used to be making. Hey everyone, it's now Friday. I didn't film anything yesterday because I didn't make anything. I was really busy setting up our table for the market, and labeling everything and tagging everything, and in that process I kind of realized that we have more than enough stock. Obviously you can always have more stock, so I'm still making stuff. I'm currently making another pink octopus, but we are in good shape for our first markets. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching a week of my crochet journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!